Hey guys, welcome back to Dutchman Savvy. We're back again at Next Level Automotive today, where we are firing up the Supra and going for some test driving. Listen to this thing, man. Good, bloody loud, but yeah, it's running really smoothly. Angelo's going to be doing some tuning with us on the street now. He's been working all day to get the fan relays working up. Yeah, as you can see, everything's running nice air blowing back here. Yeah. Second time running, so it's all new for us. Everything still has to run in. Still going to do a few hundred kilometers running in the engine. But this thing is purring like a kitten, eh, Angelo?
Yeah, nice.
Purring real good, man. Go up with the lift, check for some leaks, because we have to make sure there's no leaks coming out of the car. So we're gonna go up. Looks so good in the light, huh? Finally out of the garage. Made it 2 meters. Is that a Supra? And even Lexi in the back. Hey Lex! Hello my boy. First ride in the Supra for you, Lexi. I like the motor cup, it's pretty sweet actually. So first time made it to the tank station to tank the car. Let's see if we can start it again. Exciting times, man.
Give them a rev run.
Oh, the clutch is very sensitive. It feels much better. This is how it feels when I've got it, you know? Feels much better, yeah. So loud though, eh? I thought my Del Sol was loud, but this thing puts loud to a different level, right? What's that rattling sound? The exhaust at the back is rubbing at the gear, the clutch.
Yeah.
But the bugs are gone.
the bug is gone. Yeah.
You did a great job, Angela. I'm happy it's driving, you know?
Yeah.
It's like 4,500.
Yeah. Maybe there's a boost cut also.
Okay. You can feel the boost is very linear.
Yeah.
Builds up smoothly, yeah.
Because it's a big turbo.
Yeah.
But it does respond.
Yeah.
So it doesn't wait, come in.
Yeah. It starts early,
Yes.
really, yeah.
So it gives you a good torque feeling below, but because it's big, it's not on full power yet on top.
Yes, it builds up really nicely, yeah. When you think it makes full boost, like 5,000 or earlier? Feels like it's around 4,000, yeah.
4.5, I think. Something like that.
Oh, it's hard to heel toe because the brake pedal's so low. I have to get the brake pedal all the way down and to get the brake power.
You can turn here.
Yeah. This car must look so crazy to people. Everybody stopping to look, you know? Jan's pickup truck. Huh?
You have scrubbing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that the noise that's here?
Yeah.
Ah.
In the back.
Yeah, we need to take it for a wheel alignment as well. Get the suspension set up properly. Also the tires and the wheels are just too big for the wheel arches.
Yeah. So you can drive, when you go to drive it, you can drive it a little bit less aggressive than this.
Okay.
With me, okay. When you're alone, you can just come into boost, but lift.
Okay,
So
little squirt.
driving fast doesn't matter, but it's how you put in the power.
How the power goes, okay. So squirt it on
Yeah.
easy, yeah. But yeah, it's idling much nicer at lower revs. Let's try a low gear. 1,500 revs. 1,100 revs. Idling quite nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's driving much smoother now.
Yeah.
Driving much smoother
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
I don't have the laptop to
Check it. Yeah.
check it
We'll do
and
another
to
round.
adjust.
We'll do another round. But I mean, it's drivable now.
Yeah, it's drivable.
Yeah. RPM rumble sounds good. Under the 3,000, yeah. Oh, we gotta do something about this brake pedal, man. I cannot heel and toe because my foot's like on the ground trying to get the brake in. That's the nice thing about the Del Sol. It drives so nice for heel and toe driving. The Honda's pedals is really nicely set up, you know. See, there's the rubbing again.
Yeah, that's the front.
Yeah. It's definitely the wheel rubbing and not the bumper, eh?
Yeah.
It's the wheel, No, it drives really nice, man. I like the shifter.
Yeah.
Feels nice,
it's a
eh?